Greetings students, welcome to English class. So in this class we are going to discuss Unit 2 Supplement Reader, The Fun They Had, which is written by Isaac Asimov. So let's see the details about Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov was born on January 2, 1920. He was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was known for his work of science fiction and popular science. Asimov was a prolific writer and edited more than 500 books and estimated 90,000 letters and postcards. Asimov wrote hard science fiction along with Robert A. Heinlein and Arthur C. Clarke. He was considered one of the best science fiction writers during his lifetime. So, as a professor of biochemistry, he had the greatest interest in science. So, most of his writings were dealt the things about scientific ideas only. His writings were dealt the scientific things only. So, in this lesson, here also he uses or he tells the vast impact of technology in humans' life. So let us see the story. Before that, we have to see the outline of the story. The story takes place in the world of future where computer dominates everything. So this story happens in the future world. So not at present. So where the computer dominates everything. We know the fact the future depends upon the technology only, especially robots and computer. So not only in the future, still we have the impact of computers and robots in our life. Moreover, it shows how the concept of schools and classrooms has transformed completely. So, why the sentence is given like that? Because at present we have a building for learning, that is school, and we have the human as our teachers. We have all the things. We have to share all the things in our day-to-day life while we are in the school. But in future, everything will be replaced. Schools will be replaced by the home. And machines will replace the teachers' work, and books, even though the books will be replaced as telebooks, so everything will be changed within 100 years. So the future generation, according to that future generation, we were the old type of school students. So that's what the second sentence says to us. It is the year 2157 and Margie is writing in her diary about how Tommy found a book which was his grandfather's. So this story happens in the year. Already we have seen the story starts and it happens in the future, and the year is mentioned here, 2157. And Margie is writing in her diary about how Tommy found a book which was his grandfather's. So in the beginning of the story, the protagonist Margie, she writes a diary. So, she writes the details that happen in her life. That particular day, she had a book which was borrowed by her from Tommy, and the book was found by Tommy from his grandfather's attic. The book shows the contrast between old schools and future schools. So future schools means the school which is where Margie is studying, and old schools means the schools that we are studying. So that is the difference, and the book tells the difference between the old schools and future schools. And see the summary of the story. In the beginning, Margie's grandfather told her about the printed books where lines were not moved and all stories were printed on paper. So Margie's grandfather, when he was a child, he used the printed books. So where lines were not moved, in the printed books, we can see the lines are still there. Whenever we open the book, we can see the same thing in the same page only, but not to Margie. So they will use the telebooks in the future. So according to Margie, she knows the books only telebooks, and in the telebooks, the lines are moving here and there. The lines are moving. They are not staying in the same place like our printed books. That's why Margie's grandfather, he shared his experience with his granddaughter. The books were yellow and crinkly, and it was funny to read those books, and they were not like Moji's moving and telebooks. Okay, so he added one more information. The books were yellow and crinkly. We know that why they were yellow and crinkly, because when we use a book continuously or when we use a book often, we can see the pages will change. The pages will get the color of yellow, and crinkly means it has many folds also on the right side, or on the on the corner of every pages you can see the foldings. That means the book is used often. That is the meaning of it, and it was funny to read those books, and they were not like Moji's moving and telebooks. The book was found by Tommy in his house attic, and Margie borrowed that book for reading as it was very fun and interesting. So, this is the first time that Margie had seen a printed book in her life. So, this attracted her very much. So, only she borrowed that book from Tommy and wanted to read that book because she had a lot of interest to read that book. And next thing, Margie hated her school because the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test, and she had been doing the test worse and worse. Okay, normally Margie hated her school in the story, and the increasing or the reason for her hatred feel increasing is the mechanical teacher, because the teacher gives test after test to her continuously, because her teacher is a machine cannot understand a human's feeling, and it cannot give work according to the age and ability of the students. So what is programmed in it, it will function according to that. So only she has the anger with her teacher, and she had been doing the test worse and worse. She gets very low marks because the machine functions too quickly. Okay, it doesn't wait for her answer, and it doesn't teach according to her age. So only Margie cannot pick up the lessons which is taught by the mechanical teacher. And next thing, her mother scolded her, and she sent Margie to the county inspector along with the mechanical teacher. So Margie's mother wants to know the reason, because the girl studies good in the previous days, but in the present she doesn't study well. So only she wants to know the reason. So she sent Margie to the county inspector. So county inspector, he is a mechanic, but here he is like the principal of the school. So only Margie's mother, when she gets very low marks, she sent her to the county inspector along with the mechanical teacher. The county inspector gave an apple to Margie and started repairing the mechanical teacher. So, when the county inspector had seen Margie, he gave an apple to Margie and started repairing the mechanical teacher. So, Margie's mother wanted to know the reason, whether the problem was with the girl or whether the problem was with the machine. So, only she had sent both of them to the county inspector. And finally, he found that the county inspector, he found that the problem was with the mechanical teacher, that it functioned too quickly, and he slowed it up to Margie's age. Finally, the county inspector had found that the problem was with a teacher only, not with a student. Okay, the teacher functioned too quickly, the mechanical teacher functioned too quickly because it is a machine. So it doesn't pick up, or it doesn't give homework or teaching according to the age of Margie. So Margie couldn't follow the instruction of the mechanical teacher. So that was the problem, and finally the truth was revealed by the county inspector, and the remark on Margie was removed by the county inspector, and Margie's mother also accepted it. Margie hoped that it would take a long time for repairing the mechanical teacher, but the county inspector repaired it quickly. When Margie was going to meet the county inspector, she had a strong belief that it would take a long time for repairing the mechanical teacher, but the county inspector, he repaired it too quickly. So only she got disappointment. After reading the book, Margie knew that the old type of schools had human teachers, not like their mechanical teachers. So here she was attracted more, because she hated her teacher, because her teacher cannot understand her problems. Okay, her teacher, there is no conversation between the machine and Margie. Okay, so only When Marge heard knew that detail, that the human beings were taught lessons to the students, okay, that attracted her very much. So, see that after reading the book, Margie knew that the old type of schools had human teachers, not like their mechanical teacher. Students had a special building for learning, and all the students went there. Okay, so for Margie, she doesn't know what is school. Okay, if it is school, it is her home only. So the old type of school students, they got a special building for learning, and all the students went there. The old school students studied with their friends and shared all the things with their friends. So for Margie, she doesn't have this kind of chances, and she doesn't have this kind of enjoyments in her life. When she imagined these things in her life, sorry, in her mind, she understood very well that how the students enjoyed their life as well as their studies. Okay, how they learnt with enjoyment. So it were imagined by, sorry, they were imagined by Margie very well when when she reads that book. While half reading, Margie's mother called her as it was time for learning. So while she is reading half of the book, Margie's mother called her because it was the time for learning. She wanted to start teaching through the mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher was waiting for her, and it instructed her to insert the previous day homework into the slot. So, when you read the story, you can understand that Margie hated the homework inserting slot too much because she doesn't like to do homework in the story. So, the mechanical teacher was waiting for her, and it instructed. It means the machine instructed her to insert the previous day homework into the slot. Though the mechanical teacher was teaching her, Margie's mind roamed about the old school children enjoyed their learning. Okay, how the old school children enjoyed their learning. So the machine, after showing the homework, the machine started teaching. Okay, so though Margie's physique was there, her mind was roaming about the old school students and their life. Okay, so she wanted to be a part of the old school student. She hated the present school of her because there is no interesting facts. Okay, so like our schools, so only Margie's mind roamed about the past day schools. They came to school together, learned, and went together home. They could clarify their doubts with their friends. So these are the greatest benefits that when we are studying in a school. Okay, when we are studying together, and when we have a procedure of correct learning method. Okay, so this kind of chances will not be given for the future generation people. Okay, though the technology is developed too much, but the enjoyment is not there. Okay, so that's what we have to see, or we have to learn from this area, so they could clarify their doubts with their friends. So Margie, she doesn't have a chance for this, like this. Okay, if she has any doubts, she will clarify the doubts only with that mechanical teacher. Okay, so I think you understand the story very well. So the elaborate story of this unit will be told in the next video. So for this video, homework will be sent to you through Google Form. So thank you for listening.